In this video, we are going to learn about the crop seasons. The crop seasons are divided into three types. First one is Kharif, second one is Rabi, third one is Zaid. So first one is the Kharif crop grown during the rainy seasons are called as a Kharif crop. The seeds are shown in the June to July when the southwest monsoon starts and crops are harvested in the September to October. The crops are Kharif crops are the rice, jawar, ragi, cotton, groundnuts, tobacco. Then second one is crop seasons are Rabi. The Rabi showing the takes places in October to November when the northeast monsoons beings and are the harvested in the February to March. The Rabi crops are the wheat, barley, gram and linseeds. Then third one is Zaid. The crops are grown in the between the Kharif and Rabi seasons. In between Kharif and Rabi seasons, it will be growing. The crops are watermelon, cucumber, oilseeds, some pulses, then vegetables. These are the crops of seasons. Next one is a major food crops. Major food crops are divided into four categories. First one is food crop, then commercial crops, fiber crops, beverage crops. The food crops again they have divided into two. First one is rice, then second one is wheat. The rice, what are the requirements of the rice cropping means? The rice is major kharif crop of the India. It is primarily a tropical crop. It requires high temperature in 18 to 25 degrees Celsius and heavy rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeters per year. Its alluvial and clay loam soils are best suited for its cultivation. Rice needs the standing water and it needs the level land. Irrigation is necessary wherever rainfall is less. So these are the requirements of the rice crops. Then which places are cultivated this rice means? Rice is grown in almost in the India, all the states of India. West Bengal is the largest producer of the rice in the country. The other important producers of the rice are Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Odisha and Karnataka. Then second food crops are wheat. The wheat is required the moderate temperature of 10 to 15 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall of 50 to 70 centimeters per year. The heavy loams and black soils are best suited for the wheat cultivations. So cultivated places are which wheat is mainly grown in the northern place including Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and northern part of the Karnataka, of which Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of the wheat. So next one is commercial crops. Commercial crops also divided into two. First one is sugar cane, second one is tobacco. Commercial crops in the sugar cane, that it's required the high temperature of 21 to 26 degrees Celsius and the heavy rainfall from the 100 to 150 centimeter per annum. It thrives best in alluvial and loamy soils. The cultivated places are the most important sugar cane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. Next one is tobacco. It is tropical crop which requires high temperature of the 21 to 23 degrees Celsius and the moderate rainfall of 50 to 100 centimeters a year. Sandy, loamy soils is the best suited for it. Requires the chemical fertilizers. Its cultivated places are Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Bihar are the leading producers of the tobacco in the India. Then fiber crops. The fiber crops are the cotton. The cotton is tropical and subtropical crop. It requires the 21 to 24 degrees Celsius temperature and a rainfall of the 50 to 100 centimeters in the year. The black cotton soil is the best suited for its growth. It is grown as a kharif crop. The cultivated places are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The beverage crops tea. It requires a temperature of 21 to 30 degrees Celsius and heavy rainfall of 150 to 250 centimeter in a year. It grows best in a deep and fertile soil rich in humus. The cultivated places are Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So in this slide we have understood about the major food crops. The food crops are rice, wheat. Commercial crops are sugar cane, tobacco. The fiber crops cotton. Beverage crops are tea. Next one is the horticulture and floriculture about. The first, what is the horticulture role in India? India with its the wide variety of climate and soils has good potential for the growing a variety of horticulture crops. Now India has emerged as an important producer of horticultural crop. It is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world next to China. It shares the global productions of the fruits is the 11% and that is vegetables is the 7%. The cultivated in Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. The floriculture. The floriculture, it is a rule is important in our India. India's climatic conditions are very suitable for the cultivation of the variety of flowers. India is known for the growing traditional flowers such as jasmine, marigold, rose, crossandra and aster. Cut flowers includes the orchids, gladiolus, carnations, anthurium and the lilies. They cultivated in the Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab and West Bengal. Yes. So I hope this video was informative you. Thank you for your watching everyone.